foot. Steady, steady. No, 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 no. Don't go up. Don't go up. There.
Didi, bend down. That's good. Good girl.
Why are you dragging me back here?
Well, you'll see. Have a little faith, okay?
No, no, Adrian, are you crazy?
All
What are
right.
you doing?
Look, I spoke to the trainer earlier. I told him about your problem, and we just thought that if you met the elephant, if you got to know her, maybe you could get over your fear.
Thank you, but I can't. I can't and I won't. I'm not doing this.
Mr. Monk.
Yeah.
Hi. Is this your friend?
Yes, this
Yeah.
is Sharona Fleming. This is Edgar Hines. This is...
Hi.
Right, and this is Dee Dee.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Miss Fleming. Nothing.
Look, see? I'm petting her. Me. I'm petting her.
Elephants are very passive. They're like children. Didi wouldn't hurt a fly. Really.
Now you pet her.
If you did this, I can't.
Come on, you don't want to end up like me. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Come on. Come on. Go. Just like I did. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on.
Oh, she likes you.
She likes you.
We were just about to rehearse a couple of tricks. Would you like to watch?
Sure.
I really don't want to.
Yeah.
I don't.
Good, good. Didi. Back. Back. And go up.
I don't want to do this.
Burundi. And go up. And now for the grand finale.
Oh, God.
Come on now. Don't worry. He knows what he's doing.
Didi.
Burundi.
Go on. Didi. Go on. Oh, my God!
It's jungle out there, disorder and confusion everywhere. No one seems to care. Well, I do. Hey, who